next part I'm actually, this yellow isn't even dry. I'm adding some green here. Nice chirping, nice chirping. Thank you, whoever's chirping. It could be Prime Minister Mazel, Dr. Xi, or His Royal Highness Prince Sippy. For sure. Thank you, whoever's chirping there. I appreciate it. You listening to the leaf blower outside? Okay, that's it for now. Let that dry and then go over. I've got to do the blue. Maybe you can do that right now.